Good morning, students. Our today's topic is value education. Children, what are values? Yes, values are person's core principles. Values also influence decision making and action. It helps to guide our behavior. Generally, people adopt the values with which they are raised. Values are often morally neutral, not right or wrong. Children, we are all born as empty vessels, which can be shaped by moral values. Children, you might have heard your teacher might be saying, you must behave in proper discipline. So, children, do you know what is discipline? Self discipline? Yes. Self discipline is the ability to control yourself and to make yourself work hard or behave in a particular way without needing anyone else to tell you what to do. Now, children, here is a short story for you. Swati was standing in a queue with her father at the bus stop. They were waiting for the bus that would take them home. She asked her father, how long do we have to wait? Father said, not for long, if people don't break a queue. What do you mean, Papa? Said Swati. Father explained, sometimes people are in a hurry. They rush before their turn comes. They start pushing each other. Those who were waiting patiently lost their turn. This makes everyone late. But this is not right. It is unfair to people who wait in a queue, said Swati. While Swati was talking to her father, their bus came. No one broke the queue. People started getting in. The queue moved very fast. Their bus soon left the bus stop. Now, children, what do we understand from the story? That we should wait in a queue. We should not be in a hurry. So, the moral of the story is standing in a queue to do any work saves time. So, we should not be in a hurry, and we should stand in a queue to do any work. It will save our time. Even you children where school lives, you all are in a hurry, no? So you should not behave like in that manner. You should have your proper discipline. You should maintain self discipline. It will save your time. So, children, I hope you all might have enjoyed the story. Kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.